Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English is my world. I hope you are doing well and learning something new every day. Today's topic is don't be afraid of speaking English. Many people want to speak English but they feel nervous. They think what if I make a mistake or what if people laugh at me. If you also feel the same, then this video is for you. Today we will talk about why people are afraid of speaking English, why making mistakes is completely okay, right? How you can practice English for just 15 to 20 minutes every day, and I will also share my own English learning journey with you. Okay. Remember one thing, you do not need perfect English to start. You need the courage to start. So relax, stay with me until the end of this video and let's begin our English learning journey together. Okay? So let's get started. Let me ask you a simple question. When a baby learns to walk, does the baby walk perfectly on the first day, my dear? No, the baby falls many times, stands up again and keeps trying. After many days of practice, the baby learns to walk confidently. Okay, learning English is exactly the same. You cannot become a confident speaker without making mistakes. Many students say, my English is not good, but I always tell them, your English will never become good if you don't speak. Speaking is the only way to improve speaking. Okay, so reading is important, listening is important, writing is important, but if you want to become a confident speaker, you must open your mouth and speak every day, my dear. Okay, now let's talk about the biggest fear. The biggest fear is not grammar, the biggest fear is not vocabulary, the biggest fear is people opinions. Many learners think, what if someone laughs at me? Okay, but let me tell you something, people may notice your mistake for a few seconds, but your future depends on your practice, not on their opinions, my dear. Okay, so never stop learning because of fear. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once spoke broken English. Every teacher was once a student. So why should you feel embarrassed? Mistakes are not your enemies. Mistakes are your best teachers, my dear. Every mistake teaches you something new. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying anything new. Okay? So from today, don't say I am afraid of making mistakes. Right? Instead say I am ready to learn from my mistakes. That one sentence can change your mindset, my dear. Now I want to share my own learning journey. I am also an English learner. I did not become confident overnight. I started with the simple words. Then I learned simple sentences. Sometimes I forgot words. Sometimes I made grammar mistakes. Sometimes my pronunciation was not correct. Okay? But I did not stop. I continued learning every day. Slowly I became more confident and I am still learning because learning never ends, my dear. Okay? If I can improve with daily practice, you can improve too. You don't need to study for 5 or 6 hours every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice can make a big difference if you do it consistently. Okay, now let me show you a simple daily routine. Okay, so spend the first 5 minutes reading a short English paragraph aloud. Spend the next 5 minutes learning 5 new words and making one sentence with each word. Spend another 5 minutes speaking in front of mirror about your daily routine. For the last 5 minutes, record your voice and listen carefully. Okay. This simple habit will improve your confidence day by day. Remember, confidence doesn't come before practice, my dear. Confidence comes because of practice. So don't wait until you feel confident. Practice first and confidence will follow. So keep believing in yourself, keep speaking, keep learning. One day you will surprise yourself with how much you have improved. Okay? So now let me ask you another question. How many times have you said, I will start speaking English tomorrow? Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month, and slowly 1 year passes. Please don't wait for the perfect time, my dear. The perfect time is today. The perfect sentence is the one you speak today. The perfect practice is the practice you do today. Remember, fluency is not built in one day, it is built one day at a time. Many learners ask me, how can I become fluent in English? My answer is always simple. Speak every day, read every day, listen every day, think in English every day. You don't have to learn hundreds of new words every day. Just learn a few words and use them in your daily life, my dear. For example, when you wake up in the morning, you say, I woke up early, I am making my bed, I am brushing my teeth, I am drinking water, I am preparing breakfast. Okay? These are simple sentences, but they build confidence. When you cook, describe what you are doing. I am cutting vegetables, I am washing rice, I am making tea, I am cooking lunch. When you go outside, speak again. I am going to the market. The weather is nice today. I can see many people. I am buying some vegetables. This is how English become a part of your daily life. Another important habit is listening. Listening to simple English every day. You don't have to understand every word. Just keep listening. Your ears will slowly become familiar with English. After listening, repeat what you hear. This is called shadowing practice. Okay, it is one of the best ways to improve pronunciation and speaking, right? Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. Every sentence you speak makes you a little stronger. Every mistake makes you a little wiser. Every day of practice brings you one step closer to your goal, right? Never compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Okay? So ask yourself, did I learn one new word today? Did I speak for few minutes today? Did I practice without giving up? Okay? If your answer is yes, then you are making progress. Sometimes you may feel tired. Sometimes you may feel that your English is not improving. That is normal. Learning any new skills takes time, my dear. Be patient with yourself. Success doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from many small efforts repeated every day. Right? So believe in your journey, believe in your hard work, believe in your dreams. One day you will speak English with confidence. One day you will look back and smile because you never give up, my dear. I want you to make a promise today. Say it with me. I will practice English every day. I will not be afraid of making mistakes. I will speak with confidence. I will never give up. These are not just sentences, my dear. They are promise to yourself. And finally, always remember this, every great speaker was once a beginner. Every confident person was once nervous. Every success story started with one small step. So take your first step today. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is beautiful. Enjoy every lesson. Okay, celebrate every small improvement and never stop moving forward. Okay, so before we end today's session, I would like to share a short and meaningful moral story with you. The story teaches us a very important lesson about courage, practice, and never giving up. As you listen to this story, think about how it relates to your own English learning journey. So let's begin our moral story. The little bird who never gave up. Once upon a time, there was a little bird who wanted to fly high in the sky. Okay, every day the little bird watched other birds flying happily. It wanted to fly too, but it was afraid. Okay, it thought, what if I fall? What if I cannot fly like the others? Okay, one day the bird's mother smiled and said, my dear, you will never learn to fly if you never open your wings. The little bird was still afraid, but it decided to try. It opened wings and jumped. At first it failed. The next day it tried again. It fell again. Okay? But it never gave up. Every day it practiced a little more. Slowly its wings become stronger. Finally, one beautiful morning, the little bird flew high in the sky with confidence. It was so happy because it realized that success came from practice, not from being perfect. Moral of the story: never be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards success. Practice every day, believe in yourself, and one day you will achieve your goal. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hare Krishna to my dear friends.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die.